How to make a lot of money with this NFT project for beginners. What beginner investors need to realize is that the Mega Eagle NFT Club presents a great opportunity. If you were too late to invest in Bored Apes, Flower Girls, or CryptoPunks, then this is your chance to get in on an exciting NFT project early and make a lot of money. The earnings potential for the Mega Eagle Club is absolutely crazy. You can effectively double your investment in a matter of moments. For instance, if you buy 0.35 ETH worth of tokens, you can make at least 2 ETH. This is a difference of about $5,000. It's a larger profit margin than most other NFT projects would offer. Since this NFT project is just launching, it would be very prudent for you to hop on now. This is only the beginning. Galy Yosef is sure to announce more and more perks of being in the Mega Eagles Club as time goes on. Who knows? There might even be some metaverse integration. The main thing is to get in early while you can still afford the tokens. The world of NFTs is a rapidly evolving landscape. Every now and then, a new type of art form emerges, which quickly gains hype, causing hungry investors to flood towards it. For months, the NFT scene has been dominated by projects like Bored Apes and CryptoPunks. However, today, a new project, led by a man named Galy Yosef, seeks to break the mold and make investors a whole lot of cash. There are a number of reasons why the Mega Eagle Club, also known as the Galivers, has garnered so much hype in so little time. First off, let's talk about the art style. While most NFT projects we have seen have had rather limited 2D styles, such as Bored Apes and CryptoPunks, the Mega Eagle Club levels things up by quite a large margin. The Mega Eagle Club uses a 3D art style. This immediately sets it apart from 90% of NFT projects, making it not only more beautiful but more unique. Let's face it, when it comes to the biggest NFT projects, it isn't their natural beauty that attracts investors to them. Rather, it boils down to factors like marketability, exclusivity, return on investment, and hype. Can anyone really say with a straight face that none of the Bored Apes look beautiful or awesome? Still, their lack of beauty doesn't matter much. In spite of how ugly they look, they are worth a lot of money. If you were to compare the Bored Ape project to a metal, something like aluminum would be a good fit. Not necessarily the most beautiful of metals, but it's very, very useful. On the other hand, if you were to compare the Mega Eagle Club to a metal, then saying it's like gold isn't a stretch of the imagination. Just like gold has all the advantages of aluminum on top of looking very pretty, so too does the Mega Eagle Club have all the advantages of most other NFT projects on top of looking very attractive. Another advantage that the Mega Eagle Club has is that it's quite new to the NFT market. Unlike a lot of other NFT projects, which have been around for a while and have taken off to the point where they are inaccessible to beginner investors, the Mega Eagle Club is still fresh. If you get in early, you have the potential to make a whole lot of money. You can think of the Mega Eagle Club as the Wild West before the gold rush. Not many people have heard of it yet. And so, if you get in now, the returns will be really bountiful. Okay? Now that we've got you up to speed with the basics of the Mega Eagle Club, how about we talk a little about the person behind it? Most other NFT projects have many investors who possess a whole lot of capital. These investors, who have a whole lot of firepower, hire a team to help them make their NFT project a reality. This team typically involves an artist, a marketer or promoter, a financial expert, and perhaps a social media manager. In addition, they recruit a lot of celebrity investors to help them get their project around. For instance, when Brie Larson recently bought one of the Flower Girls NFTs, she posted about it on Twitter, inviting her fans to do the same. The beauty of the blockchain, though, is that you don't always need to have a lot of firepower to launch an NFT project. Once you have passion, dedication, and a great project to top it all off, you'll surely find an audience. That's the case with Galy Yosef, creator of the Mega Eagle Club. Although he didn't have the biggest team or the largest capital, his NFT project is taking off quite nicely. So, who exactly is Galy Yosef? Well, he is an Israeli painter, sculptor, and 3D artist. He is only 26 years old and was born in Jerusalem. After completing his military service in 2015, Yosef was discharged from the army and became a 3D artist and animator. He has won numerous awards and accolades for his work so far. He has also worked with actress and model Anna Zach by recreating a 3D model of her to perform in music videos. He has also worked with American rapper Julius Dubose. In February 2021, Eden Gallery started to represent Galy Yosef. Within a month of this partnership, his artworks had sold for over $1 million. As talented as Yosef is, the blockchain has opened up a whole new way for him to express that talent and make money off of it. With the Meta Eagle Club, he has truly struck gold. Since he is one of the best and most influential digital artists of our time, his exploits in the metaverse are bound to be an overwhelming success. He has already been featured in such publications as Forbes, GQ, Vogue, and Billboard. Alright, so now that we've become quite familiar with the works of Galy Yosef, how about we get down to the specifics of the Meta Eagle Club? After all, as a beginner, you must be interested in the details. First off, let's talk about the timeline for the Meta Eagle Club. Since the Meta Eagle Club has gained a lot of followers even before it goes live, its roadmap is structured quite a bit differently from other stuff. Based on information available on the Meta Eagle Club website, the first release of these highly coveted tokens was on February 7, 2022. This was a presale consisting of 8K Meta Eagles. In order to limit the influence of scammers taking advantage of this presale, the sale only happened on the Meta Eagle website instead of other associated places like Discord. In addition to this, you had to be whitelisted in order to gain the privilege to buy one of these Mega Eagles. After this initial release for whitelisted fans of the Mega Eagles, it didn't remain exclusive. Instead, it opened up to the public. And so, a couple of days after the initial presale, there was a secondary sale that is open to the public. However, inasmuch as this sale was open to the public, you still had to be whitelisted to buy in. And so how did buyers get whitelisted? Well, a day after the initial presale, there was a raffle that was open for 24 hours. And so interested investors entered the raffle. And after some time, they gained the privilege to buy Mega Eagles. The actual public sale took place on the 9th of February 2022. After this, Mega Eagles will enter the secondary market. There, their prices will be way higher than what they were initially sold for. In the final analysis, the Mega Eagle NFT Club will definitely be the next gold rush in the NFT world. As a beginner, it's one of your best bets for accruing wealth within a limited time. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video. This way, you never miss out on any of our crucial updates concerning NFTs. Until next time, have a great day. Catch you later.